All right, what's going on Facebook? What's going on YouTube? This is your boy Willie Bear here back with another video today. If this is your first time watching any of my videos, please like and subscribe and share it if you found value in it. But I'm just sitting here enjoying my Sunday, watching football, reaching out to people on Facebook and making videos. That's all I do. I reach out to people, okay, and I share value with people and I help people. That's it. I get paid to help people. It's the easiest job in the world. I love it because I get a chance to help other people to better themselves as I better myself. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how powerful YouTube marketing is. A lot of people do the same thing all day, every day. Like I see some people that post on, and I'm not saying that I'm not knocking people for what they do, right? But most people do the same thing over and over again, and they wonder why they're not getting results in their business. All right, they post on Facebook all day long, 5 times a day, 6 times a day, 7 times a day. Come join me. Come make money with me. Come turn $47 to $500 a week. Posting the same thing over and over again. Pay $47 to increase your credit score. People are posting the same thing over and over again. They wonder why people are not finding value in what they're sharing because you're not sharing value. If you're doing what other people are doing, that means you're going to get the same results as other people. So YouTube marketing is a great way to market your business. You get a chance to reach an unlimited amount of people. And with YouTube, guys, the thing about YouTube is people will find you. Instead of putting your information in front of people that are not interested, most people on Facebook are only interested in entertainment, connecting with each other. That's what it's a social platform, being social. Most people on Facebook are not even interested in bettering their lives by making money online or by making additional income. Not saying they're bad people, but a lot of people don't share the same things that you share and find value in. So make YouTube videos consistently. I'm gonna show you guys exactly how I market and how YouTube can put your business on automation. Like today, I woke up to an email. This guy said that he saw my video on YouTube about MCA. I made the video last year sometime. It was an old video, but he signed up for MCA membership. Okay, he came to me. He saw value in what I shared on YouTube. I didn't have to go find him. He found me. All right, a lot of you guys, you are just hunting, always hunting. Okay, you want to be the hunted and not the hunter. All right. Uh, TCP upgrade from a person I found on YouTube. He tried to assist me out for 7 days, saw value in it. I helped him throughout the 7 days and shared value with him. He upgraded last night while I was playing Madden online. All right. You want to automate your business. Uh, I got a ECC commission of $18. All right. YouTube video. I got my econ sale on the 19th. This person follows me on Facebook, so she's been watching me for a while. She saw the value that I shared about my econ. Okay, she found decided to sign up with me. Okay, if you look on my Facebook timeline, you don't see me posting. All it is positive. You don't see me posting. Come join with me. I don't seem like I'm a desperate person that's thirsty for signups. All you see is value, motivation. Okay, my econ, the values of the value of having the cash flow manager software. I just share value with people. That's it. I'm not selling anything. Look at my page. All right, this person found me on YouTube. Her name is Tara. I added her to the Easy Cash Code group on the 19th. She found me on YouTube. All right, help me welcome Tara Bell. She joined me, and I'm gonna show you the inbox. She said that she saw my YouTube video, and then she searched me on Facebook. So this is a total stranger. She found me. She saw my video on YouTube. Then she found me on Facebook, and I connected with her, and she signed up. YouTube, my econ sign up. So guys, I'm putting in work. I'm saying this is not life changing income, but it's helping me to build wealth. Sales here, sales here, sales there over time can help you to be able to save money. Like I say, this is a great opportunity. Network marketing is a great platform to be able to have multiple streams. You know what I'm saying? Everybody needs extra and additional streams of income. So uh, if you are a marketer right now, do something different. You know, if Facebook is not working for you, if offline is not working for you, you want to put some plans in place to start developing your skills and to start learning how to communicate with people and how to share your thoughts, your information, and your value through video marketing. Video marketing is a powerful way to connect with your audience. People join people that they like, know, and trust. So videos is the best way to connect with people. Okay, so uh, start out, do 2 videos a week, 1 video a week, and then work your way up to doing, 3 videos a week. My goal is to do at least 1 video a day from here on out. I got to be more consistent with my videos, so I'm going to work toward that. You guys hold me to it. But I want to just share some value with you guys on today. You guys continue to enjoy the rest of your Sunday. And if you want to join my econ, Easy Cash Code, or Conversion Pros, if you have questions about those opportunities, reach out to me, and I will be glad to help you and assist you. All right, guys, we'll talk soon. Have a great day.